Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to change or create new custom URL for your YouTube channel. Because YouTube have changed a couple things. It was a bit hard for me to find where the URL because I need it for a couple things. I need it for my Facebook. I need it for something else. So how you can find your URL or change, modify, whatever. So now let's see, I'm on my YouTube channel. From here we are going to click here on the right hand side on the logo, then go to here YouTube Studio. Once you go to YouTube Studio, left hand side we have a customization. Before it was in setting, now it's in customization. Just click on the customization. From here you have many things. You have a layout, how you want to layout your channel, your brandings, and basic information. And basic information, you will see that's the channel URL the YouTube gave it to you. That's the channel URL, the one you created already. So I have created many I think months ago. I will be able to change or something, but if you don't have it, then you're gonna have a create URL. In my case, I have a URL already, so I'm gonna delete this one and I will request another one. So let's see, I have a deleted already. And okay, I'm gonna click here and say we can see your custom URL. Anyone can see your information you may communicate with. Okay, I'm gonna say remove. It's totally different right now. So now we have we don't have any custom URL. I'm gonna close this one. See here, if it's gonna go away, reload page. Already. So now we have removed our custom URL. I'm going to add, but just in case if you have recently created your custom URL, please do not remove, because you're not gonna be able to get it will get in so many months for like how many, I'm not sure how many times you have to read that policy either. So now we're gonna say set a custom URL. Just click here. They gave me already, but I'm gonna make the one I have already before. So here we go. That's the custom URL. I'm gonna keep it because you can add certain number behind it. That's they give it to you basically, or you can choose one of them. So I'm going to keep this one and I will publish. So in my case, you can publish like that. I'm gonna publish, confirm. So we have created already our custom URL. That's all you have to do. That's the way you can change your custom URL, because they give you a little bit different criteria, different dashboard, different place. So if you have done before already in like 2020, 21, then and 2020 is totally different. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with the new topic.